Today, let us see the summary of the short story, a correspondence course by Nadine Gardiner. In this video, I am going to summarize the short story, a correspondence course by Nadine Gardiner. Nadine Gardiner is an African writer. She has written many short stories. She won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1991. This story, a correspondence course, is a collection of 9 stories. The story, a correspondence course, comes in the collection of short stories entitled Something Out There. There are 9 stories in it. This story is about a love between a young girl and a political prisoner. Harriet is the protagonist of the story. She is the main character. Harriet is the central character of this short story. Pat Haberman is Harriet's mother. Haberman is Harriet's father, and a prisoner will come in this story. He is a political prisoner. He spends more than 30 years in prison. This story is about the love between Harriet and the prisoner. The story opens when Harriet was 5 years old. Her father spends his time in going to club and parties. He spends much of his time in parties. He is not ready to spend his time with his family. Her mother is working as an assistant to a doctor. She is having an affair with a lawyer. For 3 years, this girl Harriet is writing a letter to a person who is in prison for more than 1 year. Harriet is writing a letter to a person in prison for 1 long year. One day Harriet receives a letter. Harriet is doing her PG program. She is doing her MA program in Black literature. It is well known in Africa. She has presented a paper in a symposium. The title of the conference is Literacy and Media. She receives a letter one day. There is a stamp in it. She finds a stamp in the letter with the signature of a person. She is informed that the letter is from Pidario Central Prison, and the name of the person who has sent this letter is Roland Carter. Roland Carter is the name of the person who is in prison for many long years. She is writing a letter to this person. Now this person has written a letter to Harriet. Harriet receives a letter from this person. She informs this matter to her mother. Her mother says that she knows him very well. She says that she knows Roland Carter very well. She asks permission from her mother to send a reply. Harriet wants to send a reply to the letter she has received from the person in the prison. So she asks permission from her mother to send a reply to the letter. Her mother accepts it. Her mother is very liberal. She is not a strict mother. So she gives permission to her daughter to send a reply to Roland Carter, who is in prison. She sends a letter. Harriet sends a letter to Roland Carter. Roland Carter in turn also sends many letters. He sends a letter with a Christmas wish to all the family members of Harriet. Harriet accepts it wholeheartedly. They begin to exchange letters. Harriet sends a letter to Roland Carter, and Roland Carter sends a letter to Harriet. This goes for many long years. As the story progresses, Harriet's mother reads news in a newspaper. She comes to know that 4 prisoners are escaped from the prison. She is informed that 4 prisoners are escaped from Central Prison. They are in Moscow. The policemen are searching for the prisoners. She informs this to her daughter. Harriet becomes very happy. Harriet's mother knows that Roland Carter will escape from the prison. Harriet is also very happy. Harriet also knows that Roland Carter will escape from the prison. Another day, Harriet's mother reads another news in another newspaper. She comes to know that 3 prisoners are executed. In the previous news, she came to know that 3 prisoners were escaped. Now she is coming to know that 3 prisoners are executed. They are killed. 1 prisoner has escaped. One day, a man comes to Harriet's home. He comes to Harriet's home and stands in front of the kitchen. In Harriet's home, Harriet is attempting to talk to him. Harriet's mother goes inside and locks herself in a bedroom. She is shedding tears for a long time. She weeps for a long time. This story ends with her cry. She feels that she has lost the life of her own daughter. She has allowed her daughter to send a letter to a prisoner. The prisoner is having 2 dogs for his safeguard. The names of dogs are Walter and P.T. Watchman. This story ends with the union of Harriet and the prisoner. The love between a young girl and a prisoner is portrayed in the story. The feeling of a mother is highlighted in the story. The prisoner, the life of the prisoner, is also picturized in this story. Thank you.